In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Prezi for team collaboration. Prezi is a dynamic presentation platform that's great for more than just individual presentations. It's also a powerful tool for collaborating with your team. First things first, log into your Prezi account and navigate to your dashboard. This is your main hub for all things Prezi. If you haven't already signed up, you'll want to create an account, but assuming you have, logging in should be straightforward and bring you right to where you need to be. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll want to look for the option that says Create from Template. This feature offers a range of templates specifically designed for collaboration or team-oriented presentations. After clicking it, take your time to explore the variety of collaborative templates available to find one that best fits your team's goals. Each template is designed to help visualize your project, so choose one that can grow with your ideas and objectives. Now it's time to add the main topic. This will serve as the central hub or the main objective of your project. Think of it as the overarching goal that your presentation will revolve around. Take a moment to clearly define what this main topic is, because everything else you add will branch out from this central idea. With your main topic in place, it's now time to start creating subtopics. These subtopics might include different tasks, milestones you're aiming for, or key discussion points that need addressing. Subtopics help break down your main objective into manageable parts, giving clarity and direction to your team while setting a clear visual hierarchy for your collaboration. Once you've outlined your subtopics, it's time to populate your Prezi. Here, you can insert various elements like text, images, charts, or even diagrams. These will help organize and present your team information effectively. Think of what will best communicate your ideas, whether it's a chart to showcase data, an image to illustrate a point, or text to provide context, and then plug that into your presentation. Next, to turn this from a solo creation to a team effort, click the Share button. You'll need to set permissions based on your desired level of collaboration. You might want to allow team members to just view the presentation, or perhaps you prefer they have editing privileges so they can contribute directly. Ensure you choose the most suitable option for how you want your team to interact with this material. Finally, invite your team members to join you in this collaborative Prezi environment. Send out invitations so your colleagues can collaborate with you in real time. This real-time collaboration ensures that everyone is on the same page, literally and figuratively, as you work together to create a cohesive and comprehensive presentation. And that's how you use Prezi for team collaboration. With these steps, you'll find that working together becomes not just more efficient, but also more engaging.